Welcome. In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to set up a passcode protection on this watch. Basically, if you want some kind of pin or pattern to be required to unlock your watch when you're not wearing it. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it, then press the Chrome button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called passcode and tap on it. And here you will need to tap on turn passcode on. And now we can set up our passcode. Enter the combination you like. It will tell me that my passcode is easily guessed because I used 1, 2, 3, 4, but you can use anything you like. So I'm gonna tap on use it anyway and confirm it. Like that. And now the passcode is enabled, and every time you're not wearing your watch and you lock the screen, turn off the screen, try to wake it up, the screen will be locked and you will need to enter the passcode to confirm that it's you. You can also change some settings for your passcode. So if you go back to the passcode menu, here you can enable or disable the option for the wrist detection. So basically, if you're using the passcode, wrist detection locks your watch when you're not wearing the device. So if you take off your watch from your wrist, it will automatically lock the device. Then we have the complications, and you can enable or disable the option to show the data when locked. And you can also change the passcode if you want to. And you can also disable the option for the simple passcode. If you disable this option, it will let you use I don't know how long, but quite long passcodes basically. Let me try to enter a new passcode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So up to 10 symbols. Oh. And now we have a new passcode, which is quite long. Okay. If you want to turn off the passcode, you can always tap on turn off passcode. You will need to confirm, of course. And now the passcode is off. And I believe that's about all. That's how you set up the passcode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.